Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you will be learning about how to swap two numbers using logic 3. So the third logic is using multiplication and division operator. Okay, let us start. We will declare two variables with their values. Let's say int a equals to 10 and int b equals to 20. You must note that whenever we are using this logic, that is multiplication and division operator, the values which are assigned to a and b must not be 0, because if any number divided by 0, it will throw an arithmetic exception. I'll show you later about this. First let us see the logic. Let us implement the logic, then I will show you what happens if we assign any variable as 0. Okay, so let us first write one SOPLN statement, that is we will check whether the values before swapping and after swapping are interchanged or not. Okay, let's say system.out.println before swapping a equals to plus a plus b equals to plus b. Now just let us implement the logic, that is using multiplication and division operator here. So it is a equals to a into b. This will give the result, that is 10 into 20, which will be equal to 200. Now the value of a is 200. Let us go for b. B equals to a by b, which will give us 200 by 20, which will be equal to 10. See here, now b is equal to 10, and before swapping we had a equal to 10. Now what we want is a must be equal to 20. So for that we will write here a equals to a by b again. Why? Because a is here 200 and now b became 10, so it will give the result 20. We'll write here 20 by 10, 200 by 10, sorry, which will be equal to 20. Okay, now let us write a println statement, that is sys after swapping and we'll assign the values ctrlc. Let us copy here some shortcuts even we should use. Now see, before swapping the values were a equals to 10, b equals to 20, and after swapping it became a equals to 20, b equals to 10. Okay, so what I was telling about the exception is the values assigned to a and b here must not be 0, and if we give it as value 0, let us see what will be the result. See, it showed an exception. This is what the exception is, and I said about arithmetic exception. Okay, see, divided by 0, it is an arithmetic exception. That is what I said before, that if we assign any variable the value 0, whenever we are using this multiplication and division operator, So it will always throw an arithmetic exception. So we must note that here the value must not be 0. Either A or B. The value should never be 0 to use this logic. That was the only one condition which we need to keep in mind whenever we are using this logic 3, that is using multiplication and division operator. And if you are given a value with the value as 0, means you have to input a value which is 0, then you must not use this logic. You can use 1 and 2, and other two I will tell later. Thank you for watching.